Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Illinois. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. In the moment when you're going to do it, you will get on this site called Incfile. Incfile is a wonderful company that's going to help us create our own LLC in Illinois. Now, why do I recommend going with the company to create our company? I recommend it only because I believe that you should actually focus on running the business, making money, and providing value to people, and not taking care of like accountancy and creation of the business. So when you're gonna come to the Incfile, I want to show you the whole process from the beginning, how you're gonna choose the plan and the service, and then to the end when you're like paying. So the first thing you want to click here is start my business. Here you're gonna have options to choose between the LLC, and then you're gonna have the state of formation. So here we're gonna find Illinois. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna have three options here: silver, gold, and platinum. Now when you enter the silver, you see that you're gonna have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But when you come here to the gold version, you're gonna have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, same as with the silver, but you're gonna have the IN business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, also the unlimited phone email support, business tax consultation. And this business tax consultation, in my opinion, is huge because it can help you like navigate and understand your business better. Then you have options to go with the platinum, and with the platinum, the biggest advantage is the filling here. The expedited filling is that you will have your company faster comparing having it with gold version. So if you need to have it faster, you can go with platinum, and also you can have the business contract templates there. So here, let's say I'm going to choose for the gold, and I will go from there. You can choose whatever plan you want. So because many things are going to be similar. Here I'm going to add contact person, which is me. You just add here a name, the email. I'll add like tutorial 998. And then we're gonna add our phone number. Okay, we got it. Then street address is going to be like this. Also city, this one, and then Illinois, and zip code. Okay, when we got it, I'm going to press next. Here, in the next step, you're gonna have an option to choose the state filling time. So you can go with the 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day, but I recommend for 100, it's like 140 something to actually get the platinum version, and you don't have to pay this fast filling time. You can have the whole package. So if you want to go with a faster version, I recommend going with the 3 weeks and leave it like it is, and then you will have option later in the video, later in your process, to get the platinum version. Let's click next here, and then you're gonna have the LLC name. So LLC name is going to be, for me, it's going to be Sunwe, name of my company. You choose yours, name of the company. So let's say Bakery by Marcus, I don't know. And I'm going to choose like Sunwe LLC here, the designator. You choose which one you like the more. Then number of owners, you can choose between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to choose myself only, but again, if you can have multiple members, just choose the bigger number, higher number. Business purpose, let's say marketing service for small business owners. Okay. And then industry keyword, I'm going to add marketing, and I see marketing consulting services. Here you would have add a keyword which, like, let's say describes your business. Then you can have the company address information, and here you have option if you want to use your own address, or if you want to use a professional business address and virtual mail service with Incfile. So if you want to maintain the privacy by using a commercial address, choose the virtual one, the professional one. You can read about it here if you want to. Like, I don't need to, but I can like click here, use my own address. And then I would just easily provide the address you would like listed as your company address. Of course, if you have got office, you would add it right here. Then I'm going to press next. And now here it comes, see. For only $149 to receive these free premium services. Expedited filling service, business contract templates. You see the terms of service, privacy policy, consulting agreement, founder agreement, bill of sale, everything here. And then domain name, business email address. Again, for free. And when you got it, I would recommend got it for like your business is going to be faster. And you can click here, get upgraded bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you need to add the members. So if you got multiple members, you would find all the members here. And when you have it, you have, like if you're represented by a company, you will click here company and fill it out as a company. So as an individual, I'll just add my own name and also the address. And how much ownership I got, 100% because I am alone. The next step is registered agent information, where you can easily like have registered agent by Incfile. And that's something that I recommend for you to do, is to have it by Incfile, and you don't have any problems and you can actually focus on managing your business. So I would go like assign Incfile as my registered agent for free for 1 year. Or you can act as your own registered agent. Now when you have it, what you have to do is just press next. And then tax identification number information. So this is something that, again, you have to fill out. So an employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We'll apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain it. So again, you see that you don't have to care about it. They are going to solve it for you. So again, I will add my name here and then the number. And when I have it, I'm going to save the physical street address here. And you can choose that and change it if you want and click next. Now you can also have an option to like choose for your own business, and you can go with Bank of America for your banking. Or not at this time. You can read here what are some bonuses, and you can choose that Bank of America small business specialist will contact you. Then click again next. Then complete your order for Sunwe, and here you got option to have business consultation completely for free. So you will learn here how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, how to reduce self-employment taxes. So I will click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. Then I will click next again. And then we identify 2 licenses for a consulting business in Illinois. So here I would click, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. So I would like leave it like it is. Again, that's something I wouldn't care about too much. I will let for someone else to solve it for me and send it directly to my home. Then I would fill it out and voila, I'm going back to managing my business. And then use the company address. Now I'm going to click next. And then you can have the formation info as the review order, contact info, agent, company, member, business tax consultation. Next. And then the last step is a billing info. So when you're going to fill everything here, all you have to do is just add a card number, name, and everything, and you're good to go, and you can easily create your own company. So this is pretty much it. And this is how you can set up your own company with Incfile. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you very much and goodbye. See ya.